Scenario. A 5 kilogram cart is moving to the right and collides with and sticks to a 3 kilogram cart moving to the left. Question. What direction is the combined object moving immediately after the collision? Well, the answer would be you can't determine it. The final direction of the motion cannot be determined without knowing the speed of the objects before the collision. Question. If the final direction of the combined objects moving immediately after the collision was to the left, which cart initial velocity was greatest in magnitude? The 5 kilogram or the 3 kilogram? Well, if the cart's final velocity was to the left, then that means the initial velocity that was going left was greater in magnitude. Here I'm going to show you the calculation to prove that point. Let left be the negative direction. Here's the equation with the subscripts for each cart, and notice it's a minus v3i. But notice the right hand side here is going to be negative because we said it's going to go to the left. For it to be negative, right, that means it is now greater than everything on the bottom side is going to be less than 0. That should make sense, right? For it to be equal and negative, that means it's less than 0. Okay, I'm just switching it from this equation to this inequality. This allows you to now isolate the variables and the terms to one side. So I kept the momentum for the 5 kilogram object on the left, and I added the m3v3i to the other side. That's the reason why I made it less than 0. So I can do that property to look at it. Now you can see that if the mass is, just ignore the mass, right? You can just divide the mass out. Notice that the velocity of 5i is less than the velocity of v3i. So this proves to you that the cart's final velocity was to the left. That means the initial velocity that was going left was the one that was greatest. There you go.